I am a college student, second year, engineering, CMRIT. My father, my background, my my father is a business person. He has 35 plus experience in provision store, and my mother has 11 years experience of fashion store. Why I am saying this? Because I'm into business and I have capabilities of maintaining a business. I am basically working hard for this. Mine Pulse Code AI IDE, basically it runs terminal. If user gives a prompt, it runs terminal. It creates files and edits the code and gives the final output. But there, my competitors are three first tiers like ChatGPT and all. Like ChatGPT and all will give a simple text response like what to do, but it does not create and work on that. Second comes on website based, which just give a simple static website. Total, if you want to build a prototype, this many things are needed. And these first two tiers are not capable of doing this, where our IDE is capable of doing that, because we are using users terminal to build this. Almost 95% tasks are done, including TensorFlow, node modules, AI models and all can be run through this. And to create a web application or production based application, these many things are needed, like front end, back end, database, storage, authentication, API layer and all. Common websites cannot do these tasks. My agent can do planning, runs the code, and do desktop agent testing and desktop testing agents and deployment and all. Testing agents, like most of the people will create the files and all, but fails in testing and all, my agent will cover that. Like it will only clicks the buttons. Agent only will enter the localhost and will click all the buttons and check it's working or not, and it fix the workflows and all. About my market value of this combination is about $3.33 billion, and almost in 150 plus countries, only 2 countries are more into this AI based products, like America and China. And how I can compete with them is the price money, what they charge. Here, if you take an example of anti-gravity, Google, they charge about 21,000 for monthly subscription. No one can afford it, and I will give the same plan for almost 500 rupees, including 18% GST, about 590 rupees, and my profit margin is about 60 to 70%. And I will, if I use American models like Opus and all, my cost will run for the paid subscription is almost 150 to 200 rupees. If I use Chinese models like DeepSeek and all, it will come down to 50 to 25 rupees, 25 to 50 rupees. These are the pro plans this is a pro plan which I give to the customers. This is the same pro plan which is given by Windsurf IDE. We can use like 50,000 API calls in this pro plan. Next, I ask about 50 lakhs for 2%. Yeah, I ask for 50 lakh for 2% for GPU infrastructure, API cost, cloud infrastructure, hiring and marketing. And why this market is a success? Because you have heard about emergent AI. It's a fast unicorn business. Before the start of unicorn, emergent AI, there were companies like Lovable, Replit AI, booming in the market. After this came into India, because it understands the mindset of India and the bandwidth of amount what they charge, it made a revenue of $80 million for 8 months. And with $1 billion, you can easily buy a Lamborghini. And I am copying the emergent AI's same tactics of on marketing